Alright, everybody else know?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so basically what we are gonna do now, um, will you just put in your ministry email in here so me just, I do this as an example because I am not a student, but, you know, you put in the password what them give you, and then, what we're gonna see now. Alright, so, start with this, so you just click on continue. And then of course you just say I'm a student, you just click on that. Okay, so you know, if you notice, you're gonna see the different teachers. So whenever the teachers send you an invite, you basically click join on either one of them or all of them, because basically you want to make sure say you're a part of all of the class them, right? So let me just click join over here so that I can see what this look like.
Sir, never hear you finish.
Oh, hold on. All right. Wait. Hold on. Let me take a look at this. All right. Wait. Everybody can hear me now? Okay. So yeah. So okay. So I'm guessing this is okay. So it don't look like him put much classwork in here as yet, but the syllabus is there. So basically when you come into the class, if you want to see the amount of work that you're going to have, you basically come over to classwork, and more than likely them you know, every teacher go do them thing different, but essentially you go see things like this, right? So you might see a little title, you click on it, and you know, if you want to see who is in your class apart from, you know, see your classmate them here, so you can do things like that. Yeah. Now that I guess this is Mr. Sinclair art class. So and then of course if you want to wait, let me see what this mean. Okay. No one understand what that mean. So basically the to do essentially mean if there's any due date homework that you have or any assignments, those things will come over here. So that's what that is going to be. And just another thing, you see, because I'm recording this, even if you don't catch everything, I'll make the video available to you later so you can see it. So you don't have to worry yourself if you never catch it from the beginning or whatever. Alright. Let me see what else now. Go back to classes. Alright, so once you click the join, you notice that join button is not there anymore. So you're officially part of that class now. So let me, okay, right, I forget, this is just farm class business. Yeah, well, I never really put nothing in here because this is just for, as a matter of fact, everybody who in my farm class can probably just accept the invite, just like how, you know, I actually click on join a while ago. So whenever you get the invite from me, you just click on join and it will take you to right here. So anybody in a 11-1 group 2, you can actually do this, and this is what you will see. Alright, we're on a classwork, and so far, oh, wait there. So alright. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't think there's much else to look at still, you know, because, you know, I mean, there's the class drive folder. So, I mean, if you, say for instance, I put, you know, any information in there that you know, you might want to see. So let's say whether you work from laptop or whatever it is, any information that is here, you can literally, download it. It can be accessible to you. There isn't any file in here unless I actually put something in there. So yeah.
They can ask question and anything there in the class.
And then of course, if let me see something. If I click on me, what go happen? Okay. Okay. Yeah, so that's I guess that's what that would be. I guess you would join it depending on whatever code there is. Not sure what this is.
The teacher now can see it, sir.
Yeah. I mean, all you have to know, cause what I did, I intentionally turned off my camera a while ago. So that's the reason why you never see nothing.
But sir, you have to download Google Meet in order to use the Meet video call or something, right?
If you have to what?
If your teacher gonna use the video call, which is the Google Meet,
Yeah.
you have to download Google Meet on your phone.
I never really checked that out.
Okay.
Because I'm thinking that if you're in Google Classroom, you should be able to join it from there. But if that's the case, I guess you can. But because honest to God, I need to actually check out how it works from the phone. Come literally, I got do.
Sir,
Yeah, what you say?
all you have to do is just click the Meet and it carries straight to the classroom as long as you have class in there.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Hold on.
Alright, here the problem now. Zoom decide say we only have 10 minutes left. So you know what I go do? I go stop this and then we jump back in. So everybody good with that?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I'm just gonna do that right now.